Hello everyone, today I will show you how to burnish a piece of wood and make it really shiny. First I have used 220 grit sandpaper with Dewalt variable speed random orbit sander. Then I have used 320 grit sandpaper to make the surface really smooth and ready to burnish. Then I applied first layer of varnish mixed with 50% spirit. When it's dry, I use 2000 grit sandpaper to smooth out and varnish it again. I have done it 3 times or so to make it really shiny. Isn't it nice?